Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to replace the high mount stoplight bulb on a 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is the fourth generation of Dodge Caravans, and it was made from 2001 all the way up to 2007. Okay, so this one right here is a high mounted stoplight or a tailgate stoplight, and it's held by two screws. They are T25, one is here on this side and the other one is right here on the other side. Okay, so this is the type of screwdriver that you will need. Now I know on some models those two screws are just Phillips screws, on some of them it's a T25, so it depends which one do you have. I'm not sure why there is a difference, but anyways, two screws to remove. Once you have removed the screws, this light will just pop out. And to proceed, you will just turn this bulb socket counterclockwise, and that way you'll be able to pull out the light bulb. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now you just want to pull that light bulb straight out and yeah, put new one in, put everything back together, screw it in, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. I do my best to post new videos daily. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.